So guys, what we have here is USDJPY. So before we get started, if you've not subscribed, make sure you do so, like and share. So when you take a look at this USDJPY, full trend, right? We have to zoom it out. You clearly can see that this is a bearish move, right? Now, once we take a look at this USD JPY, one of the reasons is they are having this bearish move is that we can see a bearish move or a drop on our dollar, right? You can see the USD index or DXY is giving us a bearish move. So this is one of the reasons why we're having this drop, right? So clearly we can see that this DXY kind of gave us a bearish move today. This is one of the reasons why we had this bearish move on USDJPY. Even our JPY index kind of gives us like a bullish move. So to be able to predict this price itself, I want us to actually I want you to watch the video on DXY. I've done analysis on it. You should be able to watch DXY video and understand how this DXY pairs will be moving. So to be able to understand this movement on USDJPY. So once you take a look at this USD JPY. You saw that this price has actually moved. We saw that price has once reacted to this level, right? We saw that price has once came to this level, bounced up, it's reacted to this level. We saw price came to this level, it's reacted to this level. Of course, we all expect a reaction at this level because if you know, if you trade price action a lot, you will know that if price has reacted to a level previously and price gets to that same level, price will definitely react at that same level. So we can see a spike on our USD JPY. Then once it got to this level, then we kind of add like a drop, right? So is this drop over on USD index? Well, I don't think this will be over. Let's see what this Fibonacci we see. So I've not done it before. Let me see what it will say. So you see that this Fibonacci has dropped to a level of 23.6, right? Let's see if this Fibonacci actually dropped to a level of 50 percentage because I feel there's more reaction at this level of 50 percentage. So let's see. So a level of 50 percentage on our Fibonacci is what I would be expecting this USD JPY to actually drop to before we might see this bullish move or a continuous bearish move. So this USD JPY is kind of like complicated, right? So we might see that this price will drop, get to this level, and so we have to make a decision either to go long or to actually drop. So to be able to make that decision, we have to see how the price will play out, right? We just don't want to eh, try to predicting that okay this price will move such a way, and if in case it does not move it will look like we are wrong. So we would want to let the price play out first. If the price gets to this level and starts pushing up, then we would join the trend and push up. But if the price continues to go bearish, then we have no other option than to join the trend to go bearish on this USDJPY. But one thing I know for sure is that this bearish move on this USDJPY is definitely not over. I would want to see it drop further down because I personally still believe that this USDJPY will actually drop further to break this lows. So this is what I believe, right? But we would want to see for the next day, which is 23, right? So for the next day, let's see this USDJPY actually drop down. At least let's see it drop to a level of 140. Level of 140 close to a level of 130 now. So we still have about if the price can drop from its current level to this level here, we'll be having 89 pips. So I mean 89 pips bearish move. If you have to short it and grab 89 pips bearish move on USDJPY, well, that is not bad by the way, right? So I mean that is good because for this day we actually add about 70 86 pips bearish move in a day. So the next day we should be able to have close to 89 pips bearish move on USDJPY before we might aim to go long. So that should take us to the 4-hour time frame, guys. So we can see that price is now giving us a pullback. So we want to see it actually drop further down and take out this level of that 50 that we talked about, which is this level of 140, right? So from here to this level here, we can see it close to more than 80 pips, right? From here to this level here is about more than 80 pips, right? Reason why I still believe that we are not through with our bearish move is that we saw that price has reacted there once, we saw that price has reacted there twice, we saw it reacted at this level again 3 times. So definitely price must definitely drop to the same level. Then it's either it continue its bearish move or it continues its bullish move above all, we would want to at least grab 80 pips, minimum of 80 pips to this level on USDJPY. So short it right, grab your 80 pips, then opt out of this trade, and let's see how price plays out. If price continues to go bullish, then you'll join the trend, and if price continues to go bearish, then you'll join the trend. First of all, short, take out this level around a level of at least 140.150 and 510, 140.510 on USD JPY.